This is an amplifier slash oscillator with input transformer. It goes to a NPN transistor that goes to the integrated circuit. And the integrated circuit is then hooked up to a whole bunch of capacitors that tunes it. But the most really interesting and most important part is the fact that I modified this with a solar cell. I was going to hook it up to a voltmeter, but the voltmeter doesn't give accurate results when I hook it up to the coil. It's something to do with inductance. It does weird things. It's not a good voltmeter. So as you can see, this only activates when I turn on the light. When it's off, the circuit is off when not enough current travels to 92 and 93. But if I shine light on the solar cell, the farther away from the solar cell, less electricity travels through to the gate, and the less oscillation. It's basically creating a biofeedback and a gain between the integrated circuit, the transformers, and the solar cell. It's increasing the gain in current by increasing the power, and by changing the output and changing the contacts between the circuits here, the gate circuits here, and the wires that go in parallel with the two transformers and the transistors. So basically what it's doing is acting as a feed system, a loop system that increases the gain of sound depending on how much light hits the transformer. It's a really interesting project, I think. It's from the 150 one, but I adapted it from the 160 one. There's a lot of things you can do with the 150 one, because a lot of projects that can be adapted. It was originally designed for an earpiece, but the earpiece sadly doesn't create any high enough current to operate as I tried it before, so I'm just doing it for solar cell, because the solar cell does generate some amount of electricity when light hits it, so that's a more practical use of the electronic kit for this thing. I like the solar oscillating loop sound device I created. It's quite neat.